Yo, what is up, guys? We're going to do some whittling again, but I already found a stick, and I really hope this blows up more than the last one because, this was really hard to cut. This, I know it's small and it's like a twig, but this is hard as frick. But we are going to be cutting this side because it's just weird and it's a curve. And also I'm going to try to trim these to make them spikier so that it's more of a blade. Oh yeah, and if any of you want to start watching anime, I suggest that you watch Demon Slayer, because that's the anime I started on. Well, technically I didn't start on Demon Slayer, but it's the first action one I watched. Oh, never mind, we can't. Oh, actually, we can. Yeah, Demon Slayer is really good, but I would say watch it if you're 13 or older. Because it does have, in season 4, it's a little cringy. Because, it has, it's TVMA. Just that season should be TVMA, but for some reason the whole series is rated TVMA. I mean, sure, people get murdered, but that's more PG, not TVMA. Okay, so I sharpened these points, and now it's time to sharpen the big boy stick. But I'm going to ow! We're gonna skin this part. I'm gonna zoom out so that you can see it better. I'm gonna trim this part because this side has that, and I'm going to try to make this side look the same if I can. I don't think I can though. Oh, never mind, I can. Oh yeah, and if you have $700, I suggest getting a MetaQuest 3. It's really fun. It's a VR headset, and I'm recording videos on that, but I don't really know how to post them since I don't have a YouTube channel on my VR. But yeah, you can watch YouTube, and yeah, you can do a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. This is the hardest stick I've ever whittled. I should have whittled the tip first. Not those pointy sides. I'm gonna zoom out as far as, this is as far as it can get. Yo, thank you for whoever watched my first video, because I saw someone watching my first video, and yeah. I put it on Premiere because it was my first ever video, but I might have been talking to myself, to be honest. Yeah, before I finish this video, I'm going to, I thought I felt a fly on me. Before I finish this video, I'm going to show you all the tools that I have on my first pocket knife. and this is my first pocket knife. I have two. One from Cub Scouts. You get it in 3rd grade, so I recommend joining Cub Scouts. Yeah, I got one in 3rd grade, and then I got one in, wait, I think I got, oh yeah, I got one in 2nd grade from my grandma, this one. I got it from Wisconsin Dells, and then I got my second one from Cub Scouts when I was in 3rd grade. Yeah. And I have an obsession with katanas. I have, hold up. I have 2 metals, 3 woods, and then 1 plastic. And that plastic one was my first ever one because I was kind of young. Ugh. And that one was a Tanjiro one. And yeah, I really like Demon Slayer, and I still really do. Season 3 is the saddest. I mean, season 2 is the saddest because when Goku dies. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have said that. Well, whatever. Dang, it's already been 6 minutes of me yapping on and on about Demon Slayer. Oh, I think I nicked myself. Whatever. Nothing a good old Band-Aid can't solve. I feel like this is hopeless. Yeah, and I only make cuts when I'm like, and when I'm, the only time I make cuts is when I'm going to, like, cuts in the video, is the only time I'm going to make cuts in the video is when I'm, like, transitioning to the next part. Like, in my first video, I said, I'll get back to y'all when I find a good stick, and stuff like that. I don't stop when I'm whittling, but yep, this is the final product. It's like a curve. So I would say don't hold it here, but I would say hold it here at the bottom so that when you slice, they'll go hit them like that, and then you can slice them. That's all for right now. Bye.